A distinctive coffered ceiling in Cardel's Paloma's bright entranceway is the first hint that this is a single-family home where thoughtful design touches are in abundance. A spacious ground floor is brimming with natural light from large windows at the rear of the house. A large open dining room provides a feeling of elegance and space for family dinners and celebrations. This space can also be converted into an optional main floor bedroom with a separate full bath. A sizable mudroom offers direct access to the garage and plenty of room for coats, boots, and sports paraphernalia. At the rear of Paloma's main level, you'll find a great room, an open kitchen with a walk-in pantry, and sunny dining nook area that offers a bright, cheerful spot for morning coffee, perfect for entertaining and gathering around the kitchen island. The kitchen overlooks the great room's gas fireplace, providing a cozy area for your family to relax together after dinner or a busy day. Wide, sun-filled stairs in the Paloma lead to a spacious second floor, notable for its extra-wide hallway. A large and sunny master bedroom features an oversized walk-in closet. An alternate ensuite option in this model home transforms it into a spa-like retreat with oversized vanity and a separate water closet. And, of course, the large 10mm frameless glass shower enclosures are a standard in all Cardel master ensuites. A large laundry room is right outside the master bedroom, away from the secondary bedrooms. Linen shelving is a convenient feature in the laundry room, perfect for supplies, folded towels, and more. The highly functional Jack and Jill main bathroom option in this model offers extra space and separates the shower and toilet from the vanity area. 2 bedrooms adjacent to the bathroom are both roomy, with window and closet locations designed to provide flexibility of furniture placement. Closet swing doors in both bedrooms allow full access to storage. Adjacent to the bedrooms is a large bonus room, with windows that feel more like a wall of windows. For larger families, this room can be turned into a large 4th bedroom, or a cozier bedroom with ensuite. Cardel's Paloma single-family home is available in these popular Ottawa area communities.